Hello, and welcome to Future Fuel. If you're as passionate about automotive innovation as we are, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic luxury SUVs that just got a revolutionary update: the 2025 Mercedes G-Class. Both remained available during the Epic Games era. The Mercedes G-Class, often referred to as the G-Wagon, has always been more than just a car. It's a statement. Since its debut in 1979, this boxy SUV has evolved from a rugged off-road machine to a symbol of opulence and power. For 2025, Mercedes has reimagined this legendary vehicle while staying true to its roots, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless design. At first glance, the 2025 G-Class looks unmistakably like a G-Wagon. The boxy silhouette, upright stance, and iconic round headlights remain intact. However, subtle refinements elevate the design. The front grille is now more streamlined, with a bold illuminated Mercedes star, while the headlights feature advanced LED matrix technology for better visibility and style. The wheel arches are more pronounced, giving the SUV an even more commanding presence, and new aerodynamic enhancements help reduce drag. Mercedes also introduces several exciting new color options for 2025, including a metallic emerald green and a matte titanium gray. Step inside, and the 2025 G-Class instantly reminds you why it's considered a luxury icon. Mercedes has taken the interior to a whole new level with an updated MBUX hyperscreen that spans the dashboard, offering seamless integration of infotainment, navigation, and driver assistance systems. The cabin materials include hand-stitched Napa leather, open-pore wood, and even an optional crystal-clear panel embedded with ambient lighting. The seats are more supportive, with multi-contour adjustability, heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring ultimate comfort whether you're cruising through the city or scaling rocky terrain. For performance and under the hood, the 2025 G-Class offers an array of powertrains to suit different needs. The standard model features a turbocharged inline-six engine with hybrid assistance, delivering robust power and improved fuel efficiency. For those who crave more performance, the AMG variant boasts a monstrous horsepower. But that's not all. Mercedes has also introduced an all-electric G-Class, the EQG, with dual motors and a range of over 300 miles. The EQG combines zero-emission driving with the rugged capability that the G-Wagon is known for. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and 3 locking differentials, ensuring that the G-Class conquers any terrain with ease. Please, the 2025 G-Class is packed with technology to enhance safety and convenience. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera are now standard. The EQG variant even introduces a unique tank turn mode, allowing the SUV to pivot in place for tighter maneuvering on trails. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates ensure the SUV stays ahead in connectivity. Additionally, the augmented reality heads-up display projects navigation cues directly onto the windshield, making it easier to stay focused on the road. See? Mercedes has also taken steps towards sustainability with the 2025 G-Class. The EQG is a testament to the brand's commitment to electric mobility, while the interior materials include vegan leather options and recycled fabrics. Even the production process at the Graz factory in Austria has been optimized to reduce the vehicle's carbon footprint. As expected, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2025 G-Class starts at around $140,000 for the base model, with AMG variants and the all-electric EQG commanding higher price tags. Mercedes has confirmed that the new G-Class will hit dealerships in mid-2025, so mark your calendars if you're ready to experience the pinnacle of luxury SUVs. The 2025 Mercedes G-Class isn't just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. With its perfect blend of luxury, capability, and cutting-edge technology, it sets a new standard for what a modern luxury SUV can be. Whether you're a loyal fan or a newcomer to the G-Wagon legacy, this model is sure to impress. Thanks for watching Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, keep fueling your passion for the future of cars.